She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she.
Anyway, this is Munachisum's room. It's all been scattered. Yeah, scattered. It's you that scattered it. Say scattered. I just ignore it, just leave you here and be playing and scatter everything. So I'll come and arrange it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me. I want to deep clean to tidy up my daughter's room. Like, it's so messy. Like, fam, it's so messy. Motherhood is a full-time job. So anywho, so I want to take you guys along. I won't be doing much of talking. I'll be doing much of cleaning so that I can clean this space. See? Yeah. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're so interested in my lifestyle and all, please do it to smash the subscribe button, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Sorry, I'm looking down. My picking one for. Hi God. And guys, let's get this cleaning started. I beg. I'm not get straight again. Okay guys, let's continue. So far, please note there is no light, so that is why the room is like this. I'll try to open all the windows. So my small madam is always climbing on this. I'm looking outside, so I want to move the bed to this side. Hopefully she does not cry, because anytime we move or lift this thing up, she starts to cry. So let's go.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life. So much left to do.
So guys, at this point I had to bring out the bed and sweep under the bed, because I noticed that there were some little popcorn and dirt over there. So since I'm moving the bed, I just have to sweep that place as well. And I was very happy that Madam did not cry, because I tried to crack some jokes for her, like see the popcorn you pour inside here and all. So after that, I will sweep, clean the bed head, the sides of the bed, because those places are also dusty. Then also mop underneath the bed area. So please keep on watching.
She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when
So far, here I got this hammer. You remember the last vlog I did where we unveiled the German tools my hubby got? Yeah, so he left the hammer in the house just in case we can use it to knack anything that has moved or shaved, or just to repair something in the house. And we have some nails, but I didn't use the nail because the nail on that wood was not giving vibe, but I just had to like knack it like that. Then what I did was to shift the one that is not too strong at the head side, because the head side of the bed don't really carry weight, is the body side where you sit down, or at times where you move around, you understand, that carries weight. So right now I am moving the bed to the other side of the wall because baby girl is always climbing the bed and looking over the window, which is kind of scary. So I told hubby that I'm going to move the bed, and he was like, okay, no problem, you can move the bed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be cleaning her room, deep cleaning, rearranging, and also I hope this video motivates you to do some little changes in your house or in your room. Just move your house around, to get a different vibe of your space. Yeah, so please keep on watching.
Inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for one last.
So far here I saw this painting my nephew did. I was like, okay, I'm gonna hang it on the wall. So if you remember this bed sheet that I got, is it bed sheet or a bed spread that I got in my previous vlog? I'm gonna put it somewhere in the card where we went for shopping, and also this now I'm trying to spray it all over her bed. Yeah, I know it's a bit rumpled, but person go sleep on top of them. Must you iron everything before you sleep on top of it? I'm just checking, sure. There was no light. If not, I have ironed it, but there was no light, so I just had to put it like that. Yeah. So right now, I'm also taking a pillowcase and putting the pillowcase cover on it. Then just arrange her room as it should be, as a girly room. Yeah. So if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'm just arranging her babies or her toys on the bed. You know how it is now. So keep on enjoying the music.
You say I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so well. Swimming in the river stinks too much. I'm trying to let go of all this, but the truth is what you really want is.
So guys, here I'm cleaning this area where my YouTube gadgets and my books are. And I also clean where her shoes, that is this her drawer where her shoes, her pampers, everything. I'll just be deep cleaning this area. Then over there at the ending strip where you see the rod and those baby stuff, I'll also be cleaning there because those place where was where I kept her baby walker. So I know that place too. There'll be a little bit of dust in that area as well. So I just have to clean it. So I'm just bringing them out. This have baby bed set we don't use for a long time. Okay, when you're a first time mom and you want to buy everything, everything you see you want to buy. You know that bed she didn't use it for a long time and she stopped sleeping on the bed. So I'm just mopping that area. Then I'll also put those things back because these are the only space I have to put those baby stuff back where it is. Yeah, so let's keep on.
When you turn around and left for good, but the taste is bitter. Lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we was at. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on. I keep on. I keep on. But it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you.
So guys, here I'm sticking the stuff on the wall. It's like a God creation, like God created the world. It was a Bible school something my nephew went for and he drew it and I was like, okay, since he left in the house, let me hang it on me as wall. So right now I'm just sweeping, like doing the finishing touch of the room. So please keep on watching to see the final look of this deep cleaning and rearranging and reorganizing my daughter's.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know.
So loves, I'm just folding her dresses. Like this is time for me to fold her dresses. I'll fold her dresses and I'm also chit-chatting and talking to her as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So far, please keep on watching to the end of this video. Okay, so you see the final look of her room.
Make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night. wanted. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest of them all. Make me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. Cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind.